Hey guys, JJ back on another video. So today, there's new limited time events. But before we get into those, let's go set to start condolences. We're sorry, Donovan Mitchell. We gonna get you. He gonna get you, Donnie boy. I could even get the 81. Man, I was sad. But now we back at the limited time. I see we have some live pass back at it again. We have some monthly masters. We even have this date, which I don't remember specifically. But the game that we're really here for is the Forces of Nature. They've been having 3 excellent masters. They have have Bam Alahayo. They have Kawhi Leonard. They have Jason Tatum, as I usually say it, and they have AD, the last of the last. So clearly, I'm going to do all these events, go to sets, then finish off from there. So let's start off with the ice, the chili ice. Let's get it. Start off with King. Okay, so we're just doing some shoot around. Hope King can actually put up those shots. As usual, my other team doesn't really get those shots, if you know what I mean. But it's a new year. Trying to make our team great, and we need to at least get one of these masters. But the main master is Jason. But I'm not saying either one of the 3 wouldn't be great either. I'm just saying. Now we get an ice pack, which we get a #1 ice from. Well, we don't need that, so we go on to the second one. Let's get it. Okay, we just do some dunks. Hey. Yup. Hey. Let's get it. And we're not missing today because it's January. I said January. What am I saying? It's February. And I just realized, first video of February, Black History Month, guys. As you can see, my new banner updated it. Intro is gonna be new. Well, intro is new if you've seen it, and outro also gonna be new. Time for the third one. We're doing a whole game, and then we're defending against Kawhi Leonard. Let's get it. Okay, now it's time. Shoot that 3-pointer. But you know, no one here can shoot a 3-pointer, so I'm giving it to King. King's the only one. King is the only one. Yeah, let's give it to King. Martha Luther. Just kidding. I meant, actually, yeah, I forgot who was King. Dang, we missed that. 3? And he's all 67 overall. Come on. One of you guys gotta hit the bang bang. If it's not King, it gotta be you, Clarkson. I could tell we're gonna stay here the whole day. I'm gonna tell you right now, we're not gonna be shooting no shots for days. This is not even my this year team. If it was my this year team, I would have been shooting and been a 3. Come on, give me one. Bang! Let's get it, King. We hit the 3 with no sweat because we're the best. Hey, now we get a 5 to 6. We get a 5. Okay, we got 1 millstone. Forces of Nature back, I believe. Bam! Hey. Time for the... Wait, did I finish the last one? You gonna cheat me, yo? Without letting me do the last one, I'm doing the last one. Let's get it. If it's those NBA guys, who misses a dunk? Wow, 1 minute went fast. And I guess we lost. But we're not gonna show that. Damn it. You know what? Let me just continue the rest. Or whatever. I decide to go back to them. I will decide. Okay? So I'm not gonna finish the final ones because clearly I know it's a game that we're gonna do. You think with the team, alright, they may call it the tip-off team, whatever you want to call it, but you should have made that when I was getting my good stuff. Now you wanna make it, but it other events and it each happens each 2 months. So we're gonna have to restart from the bottom again. April. Like I don't get it. But it's whatever. I'm just doing me and they doing them. So really, what's coming up for February? Black History Month. If you guys don't know, I'm African. For you guys. So this is a big month for me. I don't know. Maybe I'll be posting more videos. I don't know. Showing that African pride. I don't know. But all I do know is that we going on. We going off. We facing LBJ. 2 shots, touche. We facing LBJ. 2 shots, touche. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We need 1 more shot. We need 1 more shot. Hey. Don't be doing no funny business. Show it up. Hey. We made it easy. We made it easy. Bang. We made it easy. Well, first let me see the last one. It's a game. It's a game between each master. Now let's go on. Bang! I see we facing the Heat because it's Bam Adebayo for the last master. There's the Ice Master Kawhi Leonard with his icy look and laugh. We see 80's the Heat Master because he's been bringing the heat. And he's been shooting fireballs. So, and the Stone Master is Bam Adebayo. I don't know about this kid. This kid's the Stone Master. Probably writes things on stone. You know what I mean? I don't know. We'll probably figure it out in the future. Probably they're gonna give him a new nickname, Stone Bang. Move, Clarkson. Couldn't be shooting all those threes when I wanted you to, but now you can be standing there and stay at Stone. Tackle at the last second. Just finish this. Okay, I got it. I have got it. Last one. And now you telling me I don't have that refill. Okay. I don't have that refill. Excuse me, guys. Hey, guys. It's done. Now we can go back. Finish up. The end. Okay. When is this? Not hard. Let's just make this quick. Because I don't want to be staying here. I don't know we're in Philly jerseys. We should be in LA jerseys. But it's the game. It's not me. It's the game. Besides, the rating for some of the rookies should be a bit higher. Like LaMelo, I respect him at 71. But like, his performance been on fleek so far. So, he should be higher. Yeah. Okay. Okay, we got them Forces of Nature packs. Let's open the stone one first. Bang. And then Forces of Nature. Bang. Okay. Now we can go see what we can get in sets. Almost there. Oh my god, see you, Jackie. Some technical difficulties, guys. But yeah, so we can check what we got for each one. And the rest of them, we can just put them down here. Like for stone, fire, and even ice. So they got some good players. Then we can put some for Kawhi and the rest. See, I'm already grinding. And then there's JT. Well, we checked what we got to do in sets. I already started getting on the event. Hope I can get one of these fine men. And now that we checked in sets, I don't know. You do what? Nah, forget it. I'm not even gonna win. That's it. Yeah, so that'll do it for this video, guys. Don't forget to hit that like button. Really appreciate if you do. And subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. I'm on the road to 1,000, guys. And for your support, I can go higher. And and comment down below. Which Force of Nature guy or player should I get? Yeah. Which other events you want me to do on this? I'm thinking of doing season 2. And also PvP. I'll see you guys later.